How are you doing today, you guys? Today we're out here to recover this burned down semi-trailer. I believe the brakes caught fire and it became fully engulfed, burned to the ground, as you can see. So we're going to unload the cargo here and get it loaded up onto our landau. Follow along.
Rich, just watch out. We're gonna drag all that off. And then after we get it off, we'll cut it right behind that landing gear. You just gonna start pulling it off?
I'm trying to get the diesel tank out of here.
Oh.
It's still full of diesel.
Is it?
I want to try to grab it with the wand.
Okay. Well, I think I'd have to say that I think the cheese is worse than the sausage. I would rather sausage.
I don't know what that is. It's cheese.
Yeah. Cheese and, I don't know what this is, liquid. It has liquid eggs. So that's why this looks like it's cooked. Because it's fucking liquid eggs. And then I think some of it's cheese though. Or maybe it's all liquid eggs. Yeah, I think it might be all liquid eggs. Oh, God. Getting it, Rich? You through? Get that side. You pick that side up. Let's just carry it to the front. If you can. Get it off this wiring. There you go. Just carry it over here for now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Why don't you move your truck, Rich? So yeah, there's more room to pile shit up. Just pull forward a little further. Thank you. Hey, is that our shop saw or yours?
What's that?
Is that ours or yours?
Yours.
Okay. was gross. God damn it. Jesus.
Closer to the wall. There you go.
Yahtzee.
Got her. Alright, now I'm going to try to fold that in. Get it out of the way, fold it in, and maybe move it out of the way. Up here on the road.
Okay.
And then we can kind of try to fold this up or break it, whatever.
All right.
You want to move it off right-handed, cut that?
No, we're gonna try and just break it off because I cut it about 90% of the way, so I'm hoping it'll just break. We're just gonna have to cut it. Just cut it, Rich. Hey, Brendan, you want to grab like a shovel or a broom real quick and just... Actually, I wouldn't, don't even fuck with it. It's just gonna fall off.
It's coming down.
Perfect, keep going down with it.
I'll go down until I bottom out. Try to fold that one up. I'm gonna try to fold that one up, and then I'm gonna fold this, or fold that one up, get it squared away. I'm gonna fold this one up, scoot it over onto the road as well, and then I'm gonna scrape it all, pick all that shit up, put it in the dumpster, and then we can pull the land all up here. Honestly, we can stick all of it on the land all.
Okay.
Have to use all of it.
Yeah, let's just stick it all on the land all then.
Yeah, we'll just fold it up. Tyler's on his way out with the load with the thing anyway.
Okay.
We'll just fold it all up and stick it all on the land all.
All right. Watch out, Steven. Rich, you're off my line a little bit. Get off. Brennan, or Rich, stand on that side. So, because this side's gonna move a lot whenever you're done. I know it's slippery, but see if you can reach from out here. Watch your toes.